Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one CodeVita previous question. First we see the question. So we know about number system, the Roman numerals and the alternative place value system. So with given base. For the purpose of this problem, we limit ourselves to Roman numerals with values up to 1 to 3,999. And second one, place value system numbers having bases from 2 to 36. So 2 means it have only two values, zeros and 1, and 36 means it have the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 9 up to A to B, A, B, C, D up to Z. So consider the following procedure. 1. Accept a natural number n, so that is base 10. If n lies in the closed interval of 1, 3,999, that is between 1 and 3,999, both inclusive. So convert n to r. So convert n to r. Its Roman numeral representation. Else output n as the result and stop. If it is in interval of 1, 3,999, then go to step 3. Identify the base in which the value of r considered to be in place value system and calculate its value in base 10, replacing n with this value, and repeat from step 2. That means again we can go to execute from second step. Now we can see sample test case. If I give the input 1, it gives the output 45338950. Now we can discuss how we get this value. Okay, so I am taking n equals to 1, accept a natural number n equals to 1. If n lies in the closed interval 1 to 3,999, yes, it is in lies in the 1 to 3,999. So convert this number into the Roman number. R equals to Roman number is I. So next find the place value. So what is the place value? So what is the place value of I? I place value is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 is the place value. So now I convert the I into normal number. So what is the place value? 19 power 0 into what is the index of I? 18. 18 is the index of I. 18 into 19 power 1. 19 power 0 means it becomes 1. 18 into 1, 18. Now this is the n and it is lies between 1 to 3,999. So now convert this n into Roman number. This is the Roman number equivalent to 18. Now what is the place value of this Roman number? What is the highest place value? The x. What is the x place value? It is 34. Now the place value is 34. So 34 power 0, 34 power 1, 34 power 2, 34 power 3, 34 power 4. And what is the index of I? It is 18. What is the index of I? 18. Index of I? 18. Index of V? 32. Sorry, index of I, it is 31. So 31 into, so yeah, what is the index of x? 33. So now you can perform the operations. 34.0 means 1, 18 into 1. 34.1 means 34. 34.2 means 156. 34.3 means it is 39304. 34.4 means 1336336. Now you can calculate all these numbers. We get these numbers: 440 990 88, 121 8424, 20808 612 plus 18. When you can add all these numbers, we get the 4533 8950. And now this is the n, and it is not lies between 1 to 3,999. So we are going to print this output n. So we get the output 4533 8950 when you are giving the input 1. So now we are going to see the program. So n equals to int of input. I am giving n equals to 1. Next, if n 1 greater than 3999 or n less than 1. So both are false. So we go to here, else block. So what we discuss? The number lies between 1 to 3999. So this is the condition. The n become n not greater than 4000. That means the n is less than 4000 and greater than 0. We are taking sum equals to 0, sum 1 equals to 0. P equals to Raman of n. That means this function is called. What we are doing? What is the step 2? In step 2, the n is converted into the Roman number. So what is the n here? 1. So here the number equals to 1. We are taking a string to store the Roman value. So num equals to, we are taking, this logic is for to convert a normal number into the Roman number. This is the, I am taking one list SYM. In this list I am storing some Roman numbers 1, 4, 5, 9, 10, 40, 50, 90, 100, 400, 500, 900 and 1000 symbols. These are the equivalent symbols to these numbers. I am taking here NUM list. I store all the numbers into this NUM list. I am taking I equals to 12. So what is the value I get? 1. While 1. It is true. So enter into the loop. So what is the value? div equals to, what is the number? 1 by number of I. So number of 12 means 1000. So what is the output? This returns 0. Next go to here, number. Number percentage equals to number of I. That means equals to 1 percentage 1000. The remainder is 1. So the number is again 1. That is 1. So while div, what is the div? 0, false, we don't enter here. I equals to I minus 1. That means now 11 becomes, sorry, now the 12 becomes 11. Again, while what is the number? Same, 1. div equals to, now we are going to divide this 1 with 900. In next iteration, 500, 400, 100, 90, 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4, 1. Now here you can see that div equals to number by, what is the number? 1 divided by a of 0. That means it is also 1. So now, so 1 by 1 means it returns div equals to 1. So number equals to 1 percentage 1. So that means the remainder is 0. While div, what is the value? It is a 1. So now it is true. So enter into this. S equals to S plus SYM of I. So that means what is the I value? 0. So SYM of 0 is, this is the I. So that means this becomes I. div equals to minus 1. That means div equals to 1 minus 1 means 0. Next it goes to here. While 0, it is false. I equals to I minus 1, it becomes 0. Return yes. What is the yes? I. So that is S into P. I. So this is the how we can convert a normal number into the Roman number. Next we can check that. For I in this list. So what is the list? X, V, X. So first I becomes X. X in P? No. So in next iteration I becomes V. So V in P? No. M in P? No. L in P? No. I in P? Yes. So I in P is true. So D equals to I. That means now D equals to I. Break. Now K equals to B36. That means the place value we are going to find. So this is the B36 list. Index of D. So that means what is the index of D? I index is, what is the index? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that means 18 plus 1 means 19. K equals to 19. That is the place value of I. W equals to length of P minus 1. So that means W equals to, what is the length of P? So P equals to here 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. For I in P, sum equals to. Sum equals to, what is the sum one value? 0 plus P36 index of I. What is the index of value I? It is 18. 18 into K power of W. What is the K value? K means 19. What is the W? 0. So that means 90 power 0, 1 into 18. Sum equals to 18. Now W equals to W minus 1 means 0 minus 1, it becomes minus 1. So there is nothing in P. N equals to sum 1. So now N equals to 18. Again we go to here, while loop. So it is always true. So N, it is 18 less than 4000 and 18 greater than 0. It is true. So again sum equals to 0, sum 1 equals to 0 and P equals to Raman of 18. Again the function is called. So now we can see that. So what happened? So 18. So what is the number? 18. We go to here, while number 18 is true, div equals to 18 slash, again it's starting from last index 1000. It returns 0. So while is false, I minus 1. Then it becomes 900. 900 it checks. Again it is 0. Again I minus 1. Next iteration it becomes 500, 400, 100, 90, 50, 40, 10. So coming to here 10. What's the I value here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I value is 4. 18 by 10. Now dv equals to 1. Again number equals to percentage. That means number equals to 8. While dv, it is 1. S equals to SMI of I. What is the 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the SYM of 4? What is the I value? It is 4. SYM of 4 is X. X is assigned to S. So next div minus 1. So that means already, what is the div? It is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Next time it is false. Again I equals to I minus 1. Now I becomes 3. I equals to 3. What is the number now? It is 8. Div 8 by 9 false. After that I becomes 2. So next 8 by 5 it returns 1. So that means next we enter into the number. It is the remainder is 3. While div, what is the div? 1. S equals to S plus S of I. What is the 2? SYM of 2 V. That means XV. Next div equals to 0. The condition is satisfied. Condition is not satisfied. So I equals to 1. What is the 1? 4. 3 by 4. False. That means 0. So while 0, I minus 1 means now I becomes 0. That means 0 means 1. 3 floor division 1 means it becomes 3. div equals to 3 now. Now while 3 and number equals to number percentage of number of I. That means 3 percentage of 1 means 0. Now while div 3 S plus SYM of I. That means the I is added here. Next div minus 1. 2. True. So another I. Next div minus 1. That means 1. Again I. Minus 1. That means 0. That is false. I equals to I minus 1 means it's a minus 1. And that's it. Return yes. What is yes? XV triple I. That means the P equals to XV Next, what is the step 2? You are going to find the place. For I in XV, ML, IDC, in first step, X in P. X in P, true. So D equals to I. What is the D? I value, that means X. D equals to now becomes X. And break. So K equals to B36 dot index of D. What is the D? X. What is the index of X? It is 33. What is the place? Plus 1. That means K equals to 34. So W equals to length of P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1 means 4. That means we are doing 34 power 0 plus 34 power 1 plus 34 power 2 plus 34 power 3 plus 34 power 4. Already we discussed this. So that's why we are taking W. Sum equals to B36 dot index of I. So index of I means X. So what is the index of X? It is 33 into 34. K means 34 power 4. Next, plus V. So V index is 31 into 34 power 3. So next iteration it becomes 18 into 34 power 1, 18 into 34 power 0. So let us discuss about this calculation. If we add all these numbers, we get 45338950. So that is the N. And go to here next. This one. If N, this condition is false, then go to else, print N. What is the N value? 45338950. This is the output. Break.
So now we can see the execution of the program. So this is the program. So what we discuss. So now we can execute this program. Now we are giving the input 1. So this is the output 45338950.